Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can alphabetically sort like the rows you have on Google Sheets. So I'm just going to select this data over here, and I'm just going to go to data, sort range, and you can do sort range by column A to Z or even Z to A. As you can see, it alphabetically sorts it from A to Z, but you can also do it the other way around by pressing data, sort range, and do Z to A. And that is basically it. It is super simple. You can also do it with sheets, but I only have one open right now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!